Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today we are going to be writing radicals in simplest form using conjugates. So, what happens when we have something like this and we're asked to write this in simplest form? And just as a reminder, in terms of why are these not in simplest form right now? It's because in all three of these cases we have a radical sign, which is our square root sign in all of these cases, in the denominator, and we can't have that if we want simplest form. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of each of these denominators. And as a reminder, the conjugate is where we repeat the same numbers, but we switch the sign. So the conjugate for 4 plus root 2 would just be 4 minus root 2. And the idea here is then this makes kind of a difference of squares kind of a pattern, where when we do FOIL, our outer and inner terms end up canceling each other out, and so we end up getting rid of that radical sign. And of course, anything we do to the denominator, we also must do to the numerator. So I'll be multiplying both numerator and denominator by the conjugate. Okay, so let's do that. So 1 times 4 minus root 2 is, of course, just 4 minus root 2, because 1 times anything is just itself. And then over here, I'm going to go through the FOIL method and show how this is going to actually cancel out each time. So we're going to have 4 times 4, which is 16. Then outer, we're going to have 4 times negative root 2, so negative 4 root 2. And then plus 2 times root 4, so plus 4 root 2. And then the last one is going to be minus root 2 times root 2, which is 2. And so then we're going to have 4 minus root 2 over 16 minus 2, because these cancel each other out. So that's just going to be 4 minus root 2 over 14, like that. And so there we go. Now we have this in simplest form because we're not breaking any of the rules, right? We no longer have a radical in our denominator, and we also aren't breaking any of the other rules. We don't have a fraction in our radical, nor did we in the beginning, and we also don't have any perfect squares other than 1 as factors of our radicand, which, again, we didn't in the beginning. Okay, let's try B. So B is, we're going to do pretty much the same way. I'm just going to multiply top and bottom by 7 plus root 6 over 7 plus root 6. And now that we saw how the middle terms just get canceled, we can actually just do first and last. We can forget outer and inner in these scenarios specifically, because we know that the whole point is that they're just going to cancel out. So in the numerator, we're just going to have 7 plus root 6. In the denominator, we're going to have 7 times 7, which is 49, and then minus root 6 times root 6, which is just 6. So that means we're overall going to have 7 plus root 6 over 49 minus 6, which is 43, like that. All right, let's move on to C. 5 over 2 plus root 3. So that's going to be 2 minus root 3 over 2 minus root 3 for our conjugate. Then I'm going to multiply. So 5 times 2 gives us 10. And then 5 times negative root 3 is going to be minus 5 root 3. And then for the bottom, we're going to just do first and last, because outer and inner will cancel. 2 times 2 gives us 4. And then minus root 3 times root 3 is minus 3. So this is just going to be 10 minus 5 root 3 over 1, which is just 10 minus 5 root 3. And there we go. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.